Lots to get to here tonight at 6 o'clock. Heartbreak, just an unimaginable tragedy here. Hockey stars, the Gaudreau brothers, husbands, fathers, sons, killed while riding their bikes in Salem County yesterday. Johnny and his brother Matty, worldwide hockey sensations, also known personally across our area by so many people and beloved. Investigators say a drunk driver hit them while they were bike riding on County Route 551 just after 8 p.m. last night.
Officials say the driver of that Jeep has been identified already as Sean Higgins, the 43-year-old, now facing 2 counts of death by auto. The 2 men, ages 31 and 29, so young, were in town for their sister's wedding, which was scheduled for today. This was the 6th. I'm Shayna Ferreira.
I'm Jason Martinez. Truly a lot to get to here on this story, and each part is more heartbreaking than the next. From court to the community reaction, the impact on the ice rink, as these brothers were not only hockey stars, just beloved internationally, really. Johnny playing professionally for the Blue Jackets most recently, and Calgary Flames before that. Joanne, let's get to this driver here, this drunk driver alleged, and he has torn apart a family.
That is exactly right. This story is so painful to talk about. Family being the fabric of all human relationships, and the Gaudreau family really ripped apart. There were 4 children, 4 Gaudreau children, 2 of them dying last night. Now, here at the courthouse, we got a video glimpse of the person, Sean Higgins, who is allegedly responsible for causing the deaths of the Gaudreau brothers.
As a result of striking those individuals, you caused both of those individuals to be killed. You're charged now with 2 counts of second-degree vehicular homicide.
In a video appearance from the Salem County Jail, 43-year-old Sean Higgins of Pilesgrove said he understood the gravity of the charges.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just 18 hours earlier, Higgins was driving on rural 551 in Oldmans Township, Salem County, and police say he tried to pass a car on the right. That's when he allegedly slammed into 2 men on bikes. 31-year-old NHL standout Johnny Gaudreau and his younger brother Matthew. They didn't survive. Higgins is suspected of drunk driving.
It's a heartache. That's somebody New Jersey's really proud of. It's tough. It sucks.
Rodano brought a small hockey stick and placed it at a memorial at the fatal crash scene.
And it's sad because, everybody's in a rush anymore, and this is the result of it. Everybody needs to slow down and think a little bit before you make these decisions, because now you've ruined a few families, and it's a heartache.
The Gaudreau brothers grew up in Salem County. Johnny was a 4th-round draft pick and played 9 seasons with Calgary, and the last 2 with Columbus Blue Jackets. He was married with 2 small children. His brother Matthew played in the minors. They were together on the eve of their sister's wedding day.
It's heartbreaking. It's senseless.
Residents say cyclists frequent the rural roads in Salem County, but it's dangerous nonetheless, as it was for the Gaudreau brothers.
But now to add in an intoxicated driver just adds another layer of that danger. It's heartbreaking.
It certainly is. Now, Higgins in court today appeared a little confused when the judge told him that he would remain detained in the Salem County Jail until next Thursday. At the scene last night, in the affidavit of probable cause, he told police that he had 5 or 6 beers prior to that accident. Decisions made. We all make decisions. The Gaudreau brothers made that decision to go on that bike ride, and Higgins made a decision last night too. Those lives intersected horribly, so horribly. Our deepest condolences are going out to the Gaudreau family this evening. We're live in Woodbury. I'm Joanne Pileggi, Fox 29 News.
Thank you, Joanne.